Are you the monkey? Are you the monkey? You in a better mood now? Grandma wanted a video of you.
And then the last thing, one of my favorite ingredients, good fat. Just put it in as gently as possible, so it doesn't get all broken up. Toss it in. Perfect for sitting on the dock, watching the boat, contemplating life. I'm going to refrigerate it. See if I can get some good ideas for the table.
There, now Grandma can see how you cry. You're gonna cry. Aw, poor baby. Poor baby.
This Food Network program brought to you